Roborock E35 Robot Vacuum and Mop, 2000 PA strong suction, app control and scheduling, route planning, handles hard floors and carpets, ideal for homes with pets. About this item: efficient and intelligent, clean fast, with no random bumping. Using a dual-gyro system together with motion tracking sensors, cleaning is carried out logically and efficiently in every room. 13 types of sensors combine to offer cliff sensing, collision avoidance, mid-clean charging, and minimize the likelihood of entrapment. Large battery capacity: a large 5200 mAh battery offers 2.5 hours of non-stop cleaning. A generous dustbin means even big homes can be cleaned in one go. Thorough cleaning: 2000 PA of intense suction pulls dirt easily off hard floors, and drags it from deep inside carpet fibers. Vacuum and mop: vacuum and mop simultaneously for sparklingly clean floors. The mop sucks in water evenly as it cleans, so it cleans without leaving puddles. App control: use the Mi Home app and connect Xiaoa E series to start, stop, schedule, customize, charge, check accessory status, control movement direction and more. A 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is required.